Hello my fellow hobbyists. So today we're going to take a look at this Aoshima Vertex AE86 Corolla Trueno. It's actually a brand new old stock. If you look at the tape here, I don't think it's ever been opened before. It's a bit of a mess, but it looks like it's originally sealed. So anyways, let's take a look. The Toyota AE86 is a designation. In Toyota language, the A means it has a 4A engine series. E means it's a Corolla. The 8 means it's the 5th generation, or the E80 series. And then 6 means it's a variation within this generation. So that's what AE86 means in Toyota language. I just learned that from the internet. You might be wondering what Vertex is, though, because I didn't know what it was. It's a body kit. Excuse me, it's a body kit, and it's made by a company called T&E, which was established back in 1999. And the T stands for technical, and the E stands for elegant, and that's all I know about that, other than the fact that it was founded by a Japanese man, Takahiro Ueno. And he competes in the D1 GP series with his famous Vertex Soarer. So a Soarer is a Toyota, like a Lexus kind of coupe kind of thing, like I think it was the SC430. So I think Vertex might be a line of body kits made by car make T&D. And so the photo behind here is a AE86 with that body kit, and it looks like Aoshima did a pretty decent job simulating it, right? Look at that. So let's take a closer look though. Let's see, get the camera down, get better light hitting this at a 45-degree angle. And yeah, the wheels, they look like the wheels on the picture for 4 lug nuts, which is I think accurate to a Corolla of this time frame. This Trueno, I think it was sold between 84 and 87, this body style, and there's a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder, but it's a rear wheel drive, which is why everyone loves it for drift racing, because it's relatively inexpensive and all the power is going to the rear tire, so it can power slide its rear end out. You'll notice the graphics are quite crazy. They're they're Japanese anime, so it doesn't get much more Japanese than this. I mean, this is a cult classic drift car, and drifting was founded in Japan, and then it's covered in Japanese cartoons. So it's wild. I like it. It's over the top. Anyways, so yeah, those wheels are nice. There's and for Aoshima, they're great because all the Grachan series have blocked off wheels, meaning there's no air passing between the spokes like on this one. So this is much better than the Grachan series, much more realistic. And there's a little bit of a round indication of a small, maybe it's a brake drum back here, or a disc rotor up here. So, what is that? Is that a brake caliper or extra gold paint? I think it was just extra gold paint I just knocked away right there. Okay, well anyways, so what we have is some black printing here for the window trim. The distorted molded glass is never going to be super clear. These graphics, are they decals or what? I don't really see any of the wrinkly white clear stuff around the colors, which makes me think these might have been printed on, like a tampo print. I might be mistaken. It does look like there might be some air pockets right here in this this channel that's part of the casting. So yeah, right here, ooh, that's air. I gotta be really careful. I could have easily popped that with the dental pick. So, alright, so I'm not gonna try to touch this car. Alright, going around to the back here. Oh, it's nice. There's a license plate there, and these taillights are quite nice. Super thick plastic, and then the yellow and the white, you know, they're separated pretty well. So, not bad at all. Yeah, pretty good. Unfortunately, like all Aoshimas, it's just got this flat blocked off pipe, so that's not very realistic. Okay, graphic there. This side. Yeah, so it looks like there's a little air pocket here in this channel, so I don't know. I'm not sure how they got these graphics on there, but I'm guessing it's a decal of some sort. Okay, so yeah, wheels look okay. Let's go to the front here. Yeah, we kind of saw it earlier. There's some black paint here where all the recesses would be. No texture though. But when I look at photos of the real car, there's no grills in here. It's just open air. So, okay, so the lights are down. The Trueno has pop-up headlights. And then we just have a black interior with molded details, but it's really hard to tell, without a flashlight what's going on. It also looks like there's some sort of problem right here. Like, what is that? It looks like it's, I don't know if that's an extra gauge or melted plastic. Let's see, steering wheel. Yeah, it's really hard to tell with these molded windows. There's so much distortion. The back, there's a back seat. Yeah, okay. Well, anyways, looking at the paint is really nice. It's just that these graphics are really sensitive. So, especially where it's a crevice. This tire's a little messed up. I'll have to fix that tire later. So, it's alright, I guess. At least the paint is nice. And the taillights are really nice. I do like those. They're really thick plastic. And the wheels are much better than normal, so I'm really happy with that. Oh, well, this is new also. The Grotchen series has nothing on no model name. It just says like Aoshima, but nothing about what the car is. But this one actually tells you what the car is, so I guess I don't know when this series first came out. It's really hard to find information on these other than people just selling these on eBay. So I don't know when this originally came out. Anyways, let's tilt this up here, and you can compare it again to the photo of the real car. And then just for comparison's sake, I have this time model Initial D drift car, and I did a review of this a while back. You can look for it. And this time model had some serious quality problems right here. Look at this black paint; it's totally messed up, and there was a lot of paint missing. So I went in with some paint of my own and added it where all the white was showing through. So quality control problems with time. Okay, but it's got pop-up headlights, so it's a little bit different than the other one. So now I have two variations of drift cars, and I'm pretty happy with that. If you're wondering, this is the 11 back here. 11 doesn't have pop-up headlights. That's what makes it a little different, but most of the rest is the same. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna be out the door like a dinosaur. See ya.